Hello everyone, welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to explain very important topic, that is arithmetic progression, class 11 part 7. Let us see. So here the first question is what? Sum of n terms of an AP with first term A and common difference D is given by. That means if any AP is given, first term is given, common difference is given, then how can we find sum of total terms of the given AP? So we have a simple formula. So formula is what? Sum of n terms of AP is what? N by 2 multiply 2A plus n minus 1 into D. D is what? Common difference. You can use the other formula also, that is n by 2 into A plus an. So A is what? That is first term, and A in what? That is last term, right? So first term is known, last term is known, and n is known, total number of terms. We can find easily Sn, sum of n terms. And suppose last term is not given, then number of terms known, first term is given, and common difference is given, we can find sum. Just to take one example. So here we are giving the one example. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is given, and this is already in AP. If we want to find sum of the 4 term of this AP. So you know sum of the 4 terms of this AP is what? 6, 6, 12 plus 8, 20. This is the simple we have added verbally. Now we are using my first formula. N is what? 4. So we will write 4 by 2 into 2 multiply first term. So first term is 2, so this is 2. Plus n minus 1. N is what? 4. So this is 4 minus 1. Now common difference is what? Common difference means second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, fifth minus fourth. All is constant, that is called common difference. So 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2. So this is in AP, common difference is 2. So this formula we will use only when the given series and sequence is what? In AP. So common difference is what? 2. Now you see 2 by 4, that is 2. So we will get here 2. Now 2 into 2 is what? 4. And 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. So correct answer is what? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 into 2 is what? 20. So our correct answer is 20. We can solve this question by our next formula also, right? So we are finding S4 by the second formula. N by 2, so this is 4 by 2. A, that is the first term is what? 2. And that is last term is what? 10. So this is 10. Right? So this is N by 2 into A plus last term. So we are finding the fourth term. So fourth term, we are last term is what? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Last term is what? 8. So we will take here 8 because my formula n by 2 A plus A. N is total number of term, first term and last term. So we are taking here total number of term, that is the 4. So we will last term is A4. So A4 is what? 8. Now you know this is 2, 2 is 4. So we will get 2 into 10. Again our answer is what? 20. So we can use this 2 formula any time for finding the sum of n terms of any AP. Now see the next question. So next question, question number 2. If the sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn, then nth term of an AP is what? That means sum of n terms of AP is given. Any AP given and their sum is given. And you have to find nth terms of the AP. So there is a simple technique to find the nth terms of AP when sum of n terms is given. So simple technique is what? Nth term, that is An. equal to what? Sum of n terms of AP minus sum of n minus 1 terms of AP. So sum of total terms minus sum of the second last. Okay. So just we are giving one example. See. So suppose same example, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in AP. Okay. Right. And we are finding what? Nth terms. So suppose here n is what? 5. 5 terms is given. So we have to find the fifth term is what? So simple technique is what? That is A5 equal to what? Sum of n term, that is sum of the what? That is the sum of 5 terms. So sum of 5 terms minus sum of 5 minus 1, that is what? Sum of 4 terms. So you know fifth term equal to what? Sum of 5 terms. So sum of 5 terms will be what? That is 5 by 2, okay, into A plus last term. So A is what? 2 and last term, that is fifth term, is what? 10 minus sum of fourth term. So fourth term n is what? 4 by 2 into again first term is what? 2 and last term is what? Fourth term. So here fourth term is what? 8. So we will write here 5 by 2 into 12 minus this is 2. So this is 2 into what? 10. So 2 6 are 12. So we will get 30 minus 20, that is what? 10. So you see fifth term is what? 10. So if any time sum of n terms is given, we have to find nth term of the AP. You can use this formula. Nth term equal to sum of total terms minus sum of terms up to second last. Okay. So you will get nth terms of the AP. Now see the next question, that is question number 3. Find the sum of 20 terms of an AP 1, 4, 7, 10 up to infinity. Okay. So the terms is given, we have to find 20 terms, sum of 20 terms of AP. So you know what is given first, you see. So here given A, that is first term is 1, and now common difference, that is D. Common difference means 4 minus 1 3, 7 minus 4 3, 10 minus 7 3. So if already given AP, so no need to find all difference, only second minus 5. If it not given AP, then we will check it is AP or not. We will find difference for whole. But if it is given AP, so only second minus first, that is your common difference. So their common difference is what? That is 4 minus 1 3. And sum of 20 term, that is n is given 20. Right? So here nth term is not given, last term is not given. So we have a two formula for finding the sum of n terms. So we are finding from the formula sum of n terms is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n total number of terms, it is given. First term it is given. D it is given. So everything is given. Now just put the value and find the answer. So we are finding n is what? 20. So when this is 20, so this is 20 by 2. And this is 2 into first term plus this is 20 minus 1 into d. D is what? 3. Now you see 20 by 2 is what? 10. And here 2 1 are 2, 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 3 is what? 57. So this is 57. Now 10 multiply 57 plus 2 is what? 59. So 59 multiply 10, it is very simple. 59 and put 1 0 only. So you will get what? 590. So 590 is our correct answer. Now see the question number 4. The next question 4 is what? Find the sum of series 5 plus 13 plus 21 plus that is up to 180. So for this type of question, again simple rule is what? We are finding sum of series. What is given? A given. First term is given 5. Okay. And here common difference, we know it is not given, it is AP or not. So we have to check. 13 minus 5 is what? 8. 21 minus 13 is what? 8. So it is in AP. So common difference is what? That is 13 minus 5, that is 8. And the last term AN is given what? 181. Okay. So if any series is given and the first term given and last term given, and there is we are finding a total number of terms in not given. So first you have to find first total number of terms, because in both formula we need total number of terms. So first to find n. So n formula is what? Simple, last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. So here last term is what? 181. First term is what? 5. And common difference is what? That is 8. And here plus 1. So we can write 11 minus 5 is 176 by 8 plus 1. So this is 8 to just 16 and this. So 22 plus 1 is what? 23. So number of terms is 23. Now we can find easily sum of 23 terms. N by 2, 23 by 2 into A plus L. First term is what? 5 plus last term is what? 181. So we can find 23 by 2 into 5 plus 1 6 and this is 186. So 2 9 are 18, 2 3 are 6. So this is 23 into 93. So you can multiply 93 and 23. 3 3 are 9, 3 9 are 27. 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18. So this is 9, this is 13, 11 and 2. So correct answer is what? 2139 is our right answer. Now see the next question. Question is what? Fifth question. So fifth question is find the sum of all 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So for this type of question, first to go, what is the sum of all 3-digit number? So you know 3-digit number. So smallest 3-digit number is what? 100. And greatest 3-digit number is what? 999. So we have to check what is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7, and what is the greatest number which is divisible, greatest number of 3 digits which is divisible by 7. And common difference will be always same because it is divided by 7. So you see here, if you divide this number by 7, 7 1 is 7, 3. So this is 30. So 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 35. So first number will be what? 105. So first number will be 105. Other number add 12, 112. Other number add 12, 190. In the same way, it is go up to the last. Now you see 999 is the greatest number of 3 digits. If this number is divisible, it is okay. If not, then we have to go come down. So when we divide this number, 7 1 are 7. 2 remaining 29, 7 4 are 28, 1 remaining 19. So 7 2 are 14. So 7 2 are 14. So we get what? 4. So 4 is remainder. So if you subtract here 4, you will get that number. Again you see 7 1 are 7. 2 remaining 29. 7 4 are 28. 1 remaining 19. Now 7 2 are 14. So if we divide, this is 19 and here 4. So we will get what? 994. So here if we divide this number, you see here, just like this is your number, and you are dividing number by 7. 7, so it is what? 2, 29. 7 4 are 28, 1 19. And this is 7 2 are 14. So 7 2 are 14, so you got 5. So if you will, this is the 5 remaining. So if you subtract the 5, you will get what? 994. So last number which is divisible by 7. Greatest number of 3 digits which is divisible by 7 was 994. Now we have what? That is, we know first number is 105. Common difference is 7. and the last term is 994. So we have no idea for total number of terms. So first you have to find n, that is total number of terms is how much. So for total number of 10n, the tricky format is what? Last term minus first term by common difference plus 1. So last term is what? 994. First term is what? 105. Common difference is what? 7, and this is 1. So here 14 minus 5, that is 9. And here this is what? 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. This is 7 plus 1. So 7 1 ja 7, 1 remainder, that is 18. 7 2 ja 14, this. So we will get what? 1 to 8. So total number of terms is what? 1 to 8. Now we can find very easily sum of 1 to 8 terms will be what? N by 2, 128 by 2. A plus L. First term plus last term. First term 105, last term 994. And here 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are. We get 64 multiply. 5 plus 4 9. This is 9 and 9 1 10. So when we multiply this number 1099 64, we get our answer. So 4 9 are 36. 4 9 are 36. 3 39. And carry 3, this is 3 and this is 4. 6 9 are 54, carry 5. 6 9 are 54 and 5 59, carry 5. So this is 5 and this is 6. So 6 9 4 13, 9 3 12, 13, 5 4 9 10 and this.